This is a quick video on basic influencer profile access. So this is access before you've analyzed an account. So in your Discover tab, simply scroll down to any influencer, including ones you haven't analyzed, and click. So as you see, before it opens up, you will get the total reach, the average engagement. Then on the tab that opens up, you will see the fixed fee, the story fee, the likes, comments, and video views for the associated platforms. You'll notice if you click through the other tabs, you will need to analyze at the cost of one report to access the information. However, you will see gallery posts and reviews and references.